Hey friends, we're out at the cabin today working on the solar array and we need to ground this. So as you can see, I've got my ground rod right here. It's 8 foot. We're going to put another one over here, roughly just further than 6 feet. And that provides 2 points for grounding for this array. And again, I was really nervous about punching this rod in because our ground is so rocky. There's multiple ways of doing this. I've seen people use just a regular hammer, some water. But again, because our soil is so rough and so rocky, what I'm using today is this hammer drill. I've got the ladder here so I can get on top and punch it in. So here's the deal. That little hammer drill worked really great for about the first 4 feet. But again, our soil is so difficult to work with. So the water trick wasn't working by pouring a little water down into the hole where the rod is. Didn't work. It just was absolutely stuck. So we had to go to Home Depot. Now, Home Depot's tool rental department is really great for picking up these larger tools that you really only need to use once or twice, maybe in your lifetime. And again, they have a really wide selection. It's not the cheapest, but it is very budget friendly compared to purchasing like the machine itself. Again, you can see here in this tool room, they just have almost everything you can imagine to rent. So I wasn't going to mess around anymore. I went ahead and just picked up a really heavy hitter and then this 5/8 bit that works perfectly for grounding rods. And again, this thing is pretty bulky and it definitely kicks a little bit, but boy, did it work great. Now, what you're seeing here is me driving about the last 12 inches of that grounding rod, which was the most difficult, down into that soil. And I was able to get the 3 feet above this just really, really quickly with this machine. It really was worth getting a much larger one. Again, for that one-time rental price to have this go so quickly. This was the 27-pound demolition hammer. It's made by Makita and totally worth that rental price at Home Depot. Highly suggest going that route if you have really tough soil like us.